This is me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Me, 2, 3, 4. This one is Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. 4. This one, you're going to use the sound of pizza, and it goes like this. Pizza, 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 pizza. 2, 3, 4.
Let's try nga. Pizza, 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 pizza. Ready? Pizza, pizza. How about? Pizza, 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 pizza. Again. Pizza, 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 pizza. You alone? Pizza, ayan. Mahaba. Pero lumalakad. Pizza, 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 pizza. Alright, let's try that. Pizza, 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 pizza. Again. Pizza. Can you do that? Yung crescendo, yung sound. Pizza. Can you try? Pizza, 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 pizza. Okay. Pizza, 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 pizza. Ito na naman. Dito fixing ka na. Nakakasalo ka eh. Hindi na ka naman eh. Hindi ka tone deaf. Kasi meron sinasabi na tone deaf na hindi nakakasunod na. So, hindi na sigurado. Hindi na narinig. Ikaw, hindi ka tone deaf. Ano ka lang? Diretso lang yung sound mo kasi hindi ka ba, wala kang melody ba? Alright, so yun ang aayusin natin, yung melody mo. Alright? Okay, can you do do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, si, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Can you try? I will guide you. Do, one, do, 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 re, do, re, do, re. Okay, mababa yun, mababa. why are we doing this? I want you to do the scale for you to make a melody. Okay? Para may changes yung sound mo. Hindi siya maging one straight na parang binasa lang. Okay? Though we also need that in studying a song, pinapabasa ko lang talaga. Alright? But this time, since in your case, ang tendency mo parang binabasa lang, you need to put a value beyond it. Alright? So, do, re, mi, fa, sol. Okay, do, re, mi, fa, sol. Again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Okay, can you hear yourself? Alright? Okay. So, we are going to just continue the exercise. I will be giving you another exercise that suits your case. Okay? Para sa case mo. Okay. So, we're not gonna continue with your song yet. Hindi na natin mag-focus muna tayo sa notes. Okay? So, kung mag-board ha, baka masabihin mo, mag-board na ako, teacher, ano ba yan? Wala pa bang kanta? Okay? Kasi para lumipat ka sa kanta, hindi ka naman ready. Paano mo makakanta na maganda? Diba? So, tututukan ka muna ni teacher with the notes. Okay? Okay, so when you say, very good. Again. Alright, ready, and. Very good. Oh, okay, next. Okay, so we'll start with all of them in a fast pace. Yung mabilis na, okay? Ganon. Ready? Let's try. Parang ano naglalaro? Okay, ready? And. Very good. Yeah, you alone. Very good. Next. The end. again. So, bilisan na natin. At the end. Again. Okay. Okay, I will give you a song. You know the song Flower? By Miley Cyrus. I can buy myself flowers. Ayun. Okay. Have that as an assignment to write it down on your notebook. Your new song is Flower. Kasi hindi kita pwedeng galing dito sa song na to. Medyo complicated pa siya. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-follow ng melody, right? Okay. So, Flowers by Miley Cyrus. Copy for the lyrics. And learn the song. Pag-aralan the song. So, we're gonna try the song first. Gets me. Okay, enjoy ka naman. Opo. Okay, very good. Kasi once na magaling ka na dyan sa melody mo, kahit anong ipakanta sa'yo, nakahanap ko rin na pitch na lang ang gagawin natin. High notes. Yun, tuturuan na kita ng style kung paano mo ma-reach yung high notes na yun. Pero now, kailangan natin ayusin mo na yung tone mo, yung dynamics and melody. Because your tendency is just, just reading it, just making it one line. Alright? So we're gonna put a melody on it. Okay, so let's try Flower.
Handog ng Bear Brand. Ang 840 grams, 300 pesos na lang. Pag Bear Brand, araw-araw.
Wala ka.